Hey you guys, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have this video up for you guys. It's been a little minute since I've done a wig review or a wig update. I have not been doing any, wig videos because I only mess with certain companies, okay? I only mess with certain companies. And today's video is more of an update. You guys seen this video like last year, or you guys seen this hair, this unit, last year sometime, so I definitely wanted to update you guys on this unit. It is still hanging in there. She's still kicking. She's still curly. She's still coily. And I am so in love. I will put the original video of how I laid this wig and how I styled this wig in a twist out. Okay, I will put that video down below in the description box, so definitely check the description box for that information. But today I'm going to be revamping this wig and doing a wash and go or a wet and go, whatever you want to call it. So you guys will see it before it looked like this. This is the after, and oh my gosh. Yo, these curls are popping. The hair is just flourishing so beautifully. Won't you guys say? So yeah, you guys, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I use a mousse to define these curls. I use the Olive Oil Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse. And I don't usually go for this mousse, but since I was using it on a large amount of hair, I wanted to use one of the mousses that I don't usually use on my natural hair. So I decided to pick this one up. Wasn't very expensive, so that's that. Check the description box if you're interested in seeing more information about the mousse that I use. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and for my edges, I use I Am Blessed Hand Styling Gel. This is super strong hold, long lasting hold with a flawless finish. I have been loving Blessed Hands. I also have their extra hold edge control. These two together on your edges, honey, everything. So without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got these beautiful curls, these beautiful coils, and also talk to you guys about how the hair has been holding up since I last showed it to you guys. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this is the unit here, and this unit is from HerGiveHair. This is the Crown in My Curls Coily unit. It is 14 inches, and my cap size is a small. And as you guys can see, I've already kind of manipulated it from when I wore it the first time. But I'm just going to put this unit on, and look how stiff she is, girl. So we're going to be basically wetting her down. Okay, we're going to get these curls activated and get this hair back popping and lively. So this is a lace frontal unit. So you have some parting space around the front perimeter, and then the rest is tracks. So I am just going to section off the sections of hair, and I'm going to be using that mousse that I talked about at the beginning of my videos. And I'm going to do it just like I would do my regular wash and go, which is the raking method, and letting the hair kind of separate on its own. So this mousse is really good, for real, because it has these curls super defined. But then again, it could be the hair. It's kind of bomb too. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to do that on each section of my hair. So I really love this unit, and anytime, I want to protect my hair, I just plop that bad boy button right on, honey, okay? Lay it down and define the curls or do a twist out, and I am good to go, honey. But I wanted to tell you guys that HerGiveHair is having their 4th anniversary celebration. They're having a lucky draw. You could win a wig, girl, okay? You can win a wig. It's valid from June 5th to the June 14th. They have $8, $20, $40, $60 off. I will link everything down below so that you guys can have that information. So I'm super excited about that. But look at these curls, okay? And you guys saw that I used a brush, and oh my goodness, I am so in love. So this is what the hair looks like when it's all defined, and she's cute. Okay, she's real cute. So this is wet hair, and I of course love lots of volume. So I'm just going to be taking my hair dryer to basically blow it out to dry it so that we can get a lot more volume, and you guys will see it at the end when the volume is there. So I'm going to take my hair dryer and just go around the hair. I don't need to use a diffuser attachment because I kind of want a little frizz to show up so we can get enough volume in the hair. I don't want it, it's going to be super defined, but I still want some volume in there. So I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm just doing what I got to do to get it dry. First of all, I laid this wig, okay? You can't even tell where the wig starts, okay? It's laid. And the good thing about it is that this wig lays so easily. Like, it's just set up to lay so easily. It has the pre-plucked hairline, so it's really nice. But yeah, I'm going to take my pick and add a lot more volume to this hair, girl. I'm going to be picking up, down, all around so I can get the most volume as possible. And this is what I've come out with, you guys. This is the perfect wet and go, wash and go. This unit is so perfect for those days that you're just having a bad hair day and you just want to look bomb, okay? Don't forget to check the description box for information on their anniversary sale. There is a code down there for you to use if you want some money off, maybe even win a free wig. So definitely check that out in the description box. Comment, let me know what you think about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.